welcome to Compare Foods TV. I'm Jacinda, this is FlyTy. We have a special guest with us today, but our question on the floor is, do you ever find yourself going shopping and buying the same old stuff, milk, bread, lettuce, eggs, and you just kind of get in a rut of the same boring food? Today is about getting out of that box and trying new foods at Compare Foods Charlotte.
That's why we brought the pro in, Jacinda. We are joined by Chef Santana Burriss today. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Thanks for the introduction, Ty. Listen, my name is Chef Santana Burriss. I'm a chef, culinary entrepreneur. Now, my culinary approach is I like taking different cultures and connecting it through ingredients and just telling that story. And what a better place to do that than Compare Foods.
Well, we want to make it easy, so what you have to do today is tell us a little bit about how we can make shopping easy, fun. Give us something easy that we can make multiple dishes.
Absolutely. Well, the good thing about Compare Foods is that they make it so approachable to shop here, right? So there's an abundance of produce around here, as you see. So what you want to do is just get fun, try different things. Like, I like trying out this jicama right here, right? What is jicama? Have you ever heard of jicama before?
No, it looks like a potato.
It does look like a potato, and it's kind of actually like a potato, all right? So the thing about this is, Compare Foods usually have something set up where if you don't know what it is, it'll be easy to find out what it is in a matter of 5 seconds. You just look right here because you got to prepare it, the health benefits, and what it's also good for, right? This right here, do you like coleslaw?
Yeah, I love it.
Listen, you can make some jicama coleslaw. You just grate it like a potato, put it through a grater, boom, 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 boom. You have coleslaw now. You can take this thing, you can stir fry it up, you can cream it like a potato, so you was right on point when you said it's kind of like a potato. All right, really nice.
Love it.
I love it too. Show us something else. What else could we do here that can take us outside of our comfort zone?
Definitely, definitely. Let's show you around here, okay? Look at this. This is an abundance of herbs that we have right here. You ever get tired of the same spinach or green beans, you can just try different things all over the time. Like, listen, you have fresh kale here. You have fresh mustard greens. You can do all of this with that, right? And one thing I really like doing is getting an abundance of herbs, because I put this stuff in everything. Rosemary, right? Whenever you're baking fish, if you're making a flavorful water, you're cooking rice, you just throw this in here. It smells good, it makes a lot of aromatics, and you can just do so many different multiple uses with that.
All right, since you're mentioning herbs, do you have any tips or tricks of how we can keep it fresh longer when we're talking about produce?
Yes, that is a wonderful question, Jacinda. The best way to do it, you take it out of the bag that you put it in, just get a damp paper towel, just wrap it in there, store it in the refrigerator, it lasts a little longer.
Here is a good question for you. There's a lot of fruits, a lot of vegetables, even herbs. Tell us which one is your favorite.
Oh, that's a no-brainer. I like to connect cultures with the plantain, actually. All right, the plantains are right over here. Show you what we can do with those.
Let's do
All right,
it.
let's go. So we're here with the plantains.
The plantains. I love the plantains. So these are the yellow plantains you want to hit. Now, the darker, the better. It means it's more ripe. Very sweet. So you can do so many different applications with these. You can saute them. You can put them on the grill. I like to put these on the grill when they're really black. Put coconut oil on it or coconut butter on there. Oh, it's such a fantasy. It's a delicious treat. And then we just go on over to the green plantain, which you can get. These are a little bit more savourier. You put these right here. You just peel them, crush them. You can put them in a mandolin or a grater, and you can make chips out of these. Put your favorite spice on them, and you have some delicious plantain chips.
Wow, you're making me hungry right now. So how about we take a trip to the international aisle?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's go.
Let's go.